Welcome to Pro Build Master. Today we are witnessing an incredible journey where one man, in the deep solitude of the mountains, has spent 11 months building his dream off-grid cabin. Imagine being completely alone in the woods, with only a few basic tools and a massive dream in your heart. His goal is to turn the impossible into reality. With every drop of sweat and hard work, he is now transforming massive wooden logs into an aesthetic and safe sanctuary. To see how overcoming nature's odds and back-breaking labor turned into an unbelievable success, watch the video until the end. Let's dive into this extraordinary story of craftsmanship and perseverance. Large, heavy rocks are being placed in specific spots to strengthen the foundation and protect the wood from ground moisture.
Okay, stop there.
He is now very skillfully cutting saddle notches or circular grooves at the corners of the wooden logs so one log fits tightly onto another. This special construction style leaves no gaps in the walls and significantly enhances the structural integrity and aesthetic beauty of the cabin.
It's fine. Anyway.
He is now crafting the window frames with extreme precision and installing them into the designated wall notches, enhancing the cabin's exterior beauty. These frames are designed to hold the window glass properly, allowing sufficient light and air to enter the cabin. Imagine how nice it would be to have a cabin like this, deep in the forest, to escape the city's traffic and daily chaos. Could you stay here all alone for 11 months, or would you run away in the middle of the night at the sight of a ghost? Let us know in the comments.
Hey. Yep. Okay. Okay. Your hands, because it'll bite. Yep.
He is now carefully placing the final log on the wall, giving the entire structure its complete height and form. As this log settles into place, the cabin feels about 80% complete, and the beautiful silhouette of a house is now clearly emerging before our eyes. He is now installing beams for the upper floor, which will cover about half of the cabin. This extra loft space will be perfect for a future sleeping area or storage.
I got it. Okay. You got something, Mark?
He is now lifting and placing the main ridge beam at the very top of the cabin, which will help distribute the weight of the entire roof evenly. He is exercising extreme caution while lifting this heavy beam to ensure it is placed exactly in the center and at the correct height.
No, I'm wrong. There we go. You almost there?
To shape the roof structure, rafters or sloping beams are being connected in rows from both sides, giving the cabin a traditional look. He is securing each rafter with screws and metal brackets to the main frame so it can withstand the weight of snow or rain. He is now placing thin wooden planks over the roof rafters, which is the initial step in completing the roof surface. These planks are being nailed one by one to ensure the entire roof is covered in a uniform and sturdy layer. He is now building a separate structure for a dormer window in the middle of the roof, making the cabin's architecture unique. Although building this part is complex, he is completing it with precise wood measurements, which will ensure plenty of natural light inside the cabin.
No.
is now working on installing OSB boards over the roof planks, pulling the heavy boards up with a rope. This additional layer will make the cabin's roof stronger and more durable, providing long-term protection against harsh weather. To make the roof completely waterproof, a black protective membrane or plastic layer is being laid over the planks to protect the cabin from rainwater. He is patiently laying down this layer and sealing every joint with tape so that no water can seep inside under any circumstances. He is now placing large white insulation panels over the black waterproof layer on the roof to make the cabin more comfortable and energy efficient. These panels will retain indoor warmth during winter and act as a strong shield against the biting outside cold.
There. 46. Thanks.
He is now placing green metal roofing sheets one by one on the roof and securing them tightly to the frame with a drill. This metal roof makes the cabin look very modern and durable, providing protection from the elements for decades.
Put it on back. Okay.
He is now patiently installing wooden planks on the triangular upper section of the cabin amidst the snowfall to fully protect the interior from snow and wind. This skillful finishing not only ensures the cabin's durability, but also adds a new level of aesthetic completeness to its design. He is now precisely installing the window frame into the cabin wall to ensure adequate natural light and ventilation inside. He is now grinding and sanding the exterior logs using a grinder and sanding machine to make them look bright, smooth, and attractive. He is now using special foam and backer rods in the gaps between the logs to serve as a base for the subsequent chinking process. This layer will block cold air and insects from entering the cabin, guaranteeing a comfortable living environment. To enhance the exterior beauty of the cabin, he is now adding decorative wooden trim or frames to the windows, giving the cabin a premium look. He has precisely cut and polished these trims so they blend perfectly with the wall logs. He is now handcrafting a massive and extremely sturdy wooden door for the cabin that reflects traditional forest style. He is joining each plank of the door with glue and screws to ensure it lasts a lifetime, making no compromises on the cabin's security. Now for a quick question. Would you dare to spend a night alone in this isolated cabin? Or would you run back to the city immediately, fearing a midnight hello from a hungry bear? And if you do decide to stay, what's the first thing you'd bring? A warm blanket or your favorite Wi-Fi router? Because, let's be honest, life without scrolling TikTok, even on a mountaintop, feels incomplete. Let us know your answer in the comments. The dream off-grid cabin is now fully ready for living. After 11 months of patience and sweat, this mountaintop retreat is like a living epic. To see more extraordinary craftsmanship, subscribe to Pro Build Master and stay tuned.